Yay! If you don't have one, try to partner with someone who does.
Yes. I was thinking about that. It was fantastic. Really helpful. It would be helpful if I knew that, like, during the chat.
Wait. Can I use my phone? What?
Are you going to actually be paying attention to me?
It actually does.
Yeah, I know. There is actually a really good...
It's free.
Yes. There's like a TI app that's actually really good. So, on your test, no.
Well, yeah.
Okay. Just making sure.
Whose phone is that?
Bridget.
Oh, that makes sense. Someone left their phone.
I mean, that has happened before. It gets to the end of the day and I'm like, come take your phone because I don't know what I want to do with it. All right, guys. Law of science. That's what we're doing today. It's thrilling. It is. All right, guys. Your law of science is the sine of A, like big A, over little a. The sine of B over B. Yep, you can guess sine of C over C.
That seems pretty simple.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Yeah, there you go. Not necessarily. Obviously, the triangle I've drawn looks equilateral. This works in any triangle. So all the trig stuff you did before, like SOHCAHTOA, it had to be a right triangle. Law of sines, law of cosines works in any triangle. Okay. It is February. Happy February.
Ew, it's February.
Now, guys, remember, like, from geometry, if angle A is in the bottom left, do we remember this? Like, side A would be across from it. They match up. Okay, so this is side B, this is side C. Okay. Step one. Baby steps. We'll get there. Hey, good work. See, you're off and running today.
Oh, have contacts.
With no contacts or glasses. Yep. All right, let's try one.
Oh, is that it?
There you go, guys. Now we're ready to try some. I said this was fairly straightforward. I was not kidding.
Wait, Mr. Lee, is this like one of those 10-minute lessons?
I mean, it's not real long. We'll fill our time. No. I mean, like, I was not concerned at all if we had had a delay. That would have been great. We still would have had plenty of time. No, I'm not going to just...
Right, yeah.
You'll probably have time to get your homework. You know. Yes, we are doing angles. We are in degrees, guys.
Okay. A equals 75.
Yay, numbers.
Numbers. Capital C. So since it has like 60 degrees, you know it's an angle, which is the capital. Yeah, no, that's good to clarify, though.
34 is an interesting number.
It is. They'll get...
So that's 34.
We're going to draw a
Not making a perfect triangle.
I know. I have a little triangle drawing tool that you guys don't just magically have. Just 34. 34 units.
34 units.
34 something.
When you said units, I was talking about measurements or something like that.
Oh, no. Okay. We have to draw a triangle. does not matter where I put the A, B, C. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go A down here. And I know that's 75 degrees.
180.
I'll put B at the top. I don't know angle B. I do know side B, though. That's 34. And angle C is 60 degrees.
45.
It's all just for us.
We know things, right, guys?
Oh!
So we have to find the missing part. So we have to find angle B. We have to find little a and little c. Those are the things we need to find.
I'm good again, so.
Angle B is definitely 45 degrees.
All right, what is angle B? 45 degrees. How do we know that?
Because
Oh! Oh! And so because you have side B and side A and they'll equal each other, you just set them equal and solve. No?
Yeah, you set the little proportions equal. So
Yeah.
up here, this thing we wrote down, the law of sine, we're going to use 2 of those fractions at a time. You don't use all 3 at once. Okay. So since I know angle B and side B, I definitely want to pick the fraction with the B's. Okay. And then pick one of the other ones to solve first. So I'll do, come under here. So sine of 45 degrees over 34 equals, I'm going to do A first just because I like to go in alphabetical order. So sine of 75 over little a. Can you solve for that one variable? All right, so grab your calculator. There was some head nodding and some other just staring.
I was just trying to see what's.
You can cross multiply if you want to. A times sine of 45.
All my brain is not working.
Chris is 24, yeah.
Okay, rounding is really the only part that people tend to struggle with on this, which sounds silly, but to abide by that. Are you guys okay with, like, that's what you're keying into your calculator? A times is 34 times sine of 75 over sine of 45. Like, algebraically, you understand how I'm getting there? Okay. Couple things on your calculator. Yeah, handy, right? Okay, the mode. Do you think we should be in radians right now? No, okay. Please change it to degrees. That will completely screw up all of your answers if you leave it in radians. Okay, push mode. Yep, and then you're there. Okay, then let's see, what did I have? 34 sine of 75. Oh, what did I have? I can't remember what my numbers were. Yes, over sine of 45. Guys, do you know the fraction shortcut key on here? Okay. Alpha y equals. Apparently, I did not actually click alpha. Alpha. What?
I think it's alpha, that's xt. Oh,
No. It's definitely alpha y equals. I think I have a weird, non-updated version of this. That's so bizarre. Did you hit alpha first?
Wait, what is the fraction thing you're supposed to do? Like it makes a fraction?
Yeah, it's like a shortcut.
Oh, it's alpha and then like x.
Yeah.
For mine at least.
I promise it's alpha y equals.
You just put the bunch.
That's so bizarre that it's not showing the list. I got to figure out what's not updated here, but we'll do it without. 34, was it sine of 75?
Yeah.
I'll just do lots of parenthesis ways. Is that what you're getting? Okay. We are rounding 3 decimal places here. I know. So 46.445. Okay. That was A.
I mean, probably degree.
Is A going to be in degrees?
Oh, no.
Nope.
15.
I think you're in radians. So
Oh, the host was 1. I was like, what was it this time? What was it this time? Yeah, but still, feminist, like, right? Like, I don't know. Something along the lines of, yes, they're very extreme. Stop it. Okay, yeah, but that's like everything. That's like that's like one bad apple is 20 points. Like what? We're talking about this. But it's also, I mean, I can get it. I understand, but at the same time, like,
It's actually probably not.
that's not exactly how that works.
Yeah, but they can just like make one. Everything right now.
You can it's choice. And throughout those most adults, I want to have a choice.
Really?
Es un desastre. Es año 4 es.
okay. Yeah. Troubles? Okay.
It's like, I feel like I've spent like 5 years
I'm humble. It's not bad. The amount of years I get from this not bad. I'm trying to talk about tuition. That's 35 I'm going to walk out. To this point where a lot of like it's not just people walking.
Okay, guys, what do we have left to solve for now? C. Do you think we should use this rounded answer to find C? No. I should go back and I should just swap this and put in a sine of 60 over C. Okay?
Dad, you can't say that, but also true.
Keep just doing it until it works. What does that mean? Yes, you have to find all your missing parts.
This is great. Am I done for that? I can do this.
Yeah, it's not bad, right?
This is actually it? Like, are we just doing law of sines and law of cosines and stuff?
The law of cosines is its own day. I know, right? It's a good day.
I love this day. This is my
Math is way fun when you understand what you're doing.
I'm just
Yeah, just
saying.
get rid of like skills like that and we're good to go.
I'm just saying. We should have math. We should have math.
We should. All right, guys, is this what you got?
Yeah.
I did my head.
No. Questions on that? Did we get there? Is your calculator cooperating?
Is this going to be hard? Is this going to be hard?
Today this is pretty much it. We'll do the ambiguous case with law of sines next time, which still isn't bad. The whole unit is not bad at all.
I feel like there's a missing piece of the puzzle. Like this is the first time I haven't been lost.
Now you have to find like the area or something.
Okay.
I mean, we can do area too, but
No, that would be it.
there's Heron's formula and things like that. But all right, so rounding 41.641. Are we okay with that? Yeah. Okay.
This is the first unit where I haven't been like.
Okay, you guys are gonna try this one. I will give you angle B is 20 degrees. Angle C is 25 degrees. And side C is 8. Okay.
Okay, Miss Police,
Yeah.
will you always give us one big and one little?
One big and one little.
One,
Like a matching?
yeah.
So, not necessarily. I could certainly have given you like side A here, because could you find angle A?
Fair.
Yeah, and then you'd have, like, you're gonna have a pair essentially when you go to solve it. Yeah.
Is there any decimal place we should not do?
3 decimal places for the sides.
C is 3, or is it an A?
And what C is 8. Sorry.
Not on.
You know the saga. He forgets classes, right?
Where have you been?
Yeah, exactly. This is an ongoing thing. That has been offered many
That
times.
is the rational decision.
This is taking a turn. Always an entertaining day in here, guys.
Can I skip that? The side A. The side A.
There's a pretty quick day.
You don't need to put A. Like there is a degree button, but you don't need to put it.
Yeah, you don't have to.
No, it's 5 digits.
Is it 8? What did I do? 125. I got 135.
Yes, it's 8 times 9 over.
Yeah.
It's a heavy sigh for.
What? No, I'm fine. It's just like, yeah,
You're good.
I don't know about that.
You're really convincing. I want you to. Yeah.
No.
She was like, it's okay, just go to it. And then he said like,
I still do. Oh, why did I put out
Okay, bring up his borrowed calculator.
Okay.
Why did I get 45? Sorry, I just plugged in the entire wrong number. That is my piece. I don't know where I got 45 from. I don't know where I got 45 from.
I don't know
That
if
just
you
came out of volume.
Oh, that's not
Where is yours?
That's great. Okay.
that one.
Oh, you did like weird double parentheses. That's how it works. So, we're short of so we're going to do 8 sine of 3.
Why does my
How do you make it easier?
Oh no, that's right. Alpha 3 button y equals. You've got like parentheses happening.
Okay, but so I did it right. It's just my
You set it up right. You didn't type it
my
in.
okay, but so I know how to it's
Well, but you have to put it.
that's the next step.
Yeah. Step 1
Thank
is
you.
good.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
So I've been getting decimals like the whole time, and when I did this one, I got a really, really bad fraction.
He just kept playing. I was doing my work and he just kept ringing me.
I'm going to turn this answer thing to decimal.
Do you know if that's gonna? Because I use this.
You can always go back to auto.
Okay, because I use this in AP Stat. I just want to mess that up.
No, you're pretty good.
Great, we're on the same page.
Are we ready, guys? All right, what do we get for angle A? 135. That should be the easy one, right? What'd you get for side A? Yes, 13.385. And side B? Yes. Okay, questions. Told you today was easy.
The A, the big A. You just calculate the angles and subtract from 20. Okay. There's like no special formula.
Third decimal, yes. All right, guys, hold on. Let me give you this.
Oh, Lord.
Well, my phone is pink.
Oh, wait.
Is your iPad off? Your iPad's pitching? Oh no, mine is.
I was so
Anybody need me to go through any part of that one?
No, this is.
1 minute.
1 minute. Okay.
I'm gonna draw snowflakes.
It did snow.
I'm
That was
just like a
exciting.
So how many examples are there?
3. And then I'm going to draw a picture about angles of elevation and depression, and then all right, guys, try number 3 for me.
Oh yeah, you.
Yes. I don't know why I've used side B as 34 twice today, but that's just what you're getting. It won't, nope.
I don't know. That's what I'm gonna ask you.
You can just plug that in again to get a decimal.
What's up?
Okay, so I'm not even a funny guy. I got like a massive like fraction.
Okay, so you have to bring me your calculator. I can't fix that on your
Oh, no,
paper.
no. I have a question about should I do it correctly? Yes, thanks.
Yes.
So,
So if you, I'm going to change the mode in here, answers. I'm going to go to decimal instead of auto. There you go.
so Luke was correct. Oh, just set up wrong.
Well, I mean, that's what I'm saying. You got to be able to work with your calculator.
Yeah, it's not like you're just gonna send us out. And also,
All right, guys, number 3. Give it a go here.
last year we joined the gym, wasn't
Yeah, like the summing discussion of the day that we're going to solve our
So I'm gonna get roasted by my counselor, and then I'm gonna come back and get yelled at on the street.
Tomorrow.
She sounds like a nightmare, honestly. The only reason I'm taking AP Lit is because she doesn't teach it.
I don't think we are. I think
If I get in that class, I'm switching out immediately.
There's seminar.
No, it doesn't really matter.
I'm taking going on it.
Okay, what's our number?
Yeah.
25. Great.
Oh, yeah. I have some seats and
He was so nice. The first time he ever talked to me, bro. He asked me how my day was. I said it was great, sarcastically. And he was like, you know, when kids answer that question, I can usually tell why they lie. And I was like, yeah, no shit. Yes, I'm not telling the truth. That's what
All right, guys, how's number 3 going?
Are you serious?
I didn't have like it today. Like I didn't have to do that.
You are interesting.
Because like the other day I slept at
It's Tuesday. What?
It's Wednesday.
It was a Tuesday. You were just like,
I
we
thought
got
I
to
had an English test, but really I didn't.
Oh, okay. Can't be bothered.
No, but I have a really nice nap. But for some reason this morning I kept waking up.
That's the word.
Like, but nothing. It was just in my head.
Guys, what's angle B on this one?
117. That's deeply upsetting.
It's okay though. It's just because then I enjoyed the extra minute.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Almost, okay. 34 seconds. Or really minutes. We're not in a rush.
That's all like so nice.
6'5", and he's like,
This is.
He's got-
Well, we are going to do a quizzes.
he's got it.
No, I'm.
And compared to all the other,
I mean,
A non-math game.
No, whether we
Just
do
be sure to,
code
like,
names
what
in
if-
fourth
like,
period
Saturday.
or this year, I don't care. I just play the game with
Okay.
somebody because that can
I don't know.
Very fun. I like that game. All right, are we ready now, guys? What'd we get for side A? You did not match my enthusiasm with your answer.
Yeah, good job, yeah.
All right, what about side C?
13.675.
Okay.
Oh, what's the game? Like, do they give you a letter?
Guys, let me set up one more.
Thank you. I couldn't remember. I couldn't remember.
Now, a slightly different. I'm going to give you different information.
Oh no.
Here's a
Always
How does that call it hate us? I have never played Skyward in that.
Actually, let me look and see if this is on your math space.
Please no, so we don't have to do it right now.
We're not going to do it.
We could play. Oh my God,
Okay, instead of number 4, I just want to draw a picture for you.
compressed angles or whatever.
That is a long
It's a
one.
massive triangle.
Do we have to?
Oh, it's so cute. Yes. Is this one of those? Is this like the?
Oh! Oh no!
Oh.
Okay.
Don't jump. That's called the angle of elevation from the ground looking up, like you've elevated your eyes. The part that everybody messes up is where the angle of depression is. It is not there. Okay? There's so many things to say. That line that's parallel to the ground in here is the angle of depression. Okay? Do you guys remember from geometry, alternate interior angles?
Yeah.
When a transversal cuts two parallel lines, then alternate. Yeah. So the angle of depression and the angle of elevation are always congruent. They're the same. So don't get confused in a word problem if you're told the angle of depression is like 32 degrees. Great, that means the angle of elevation is also 32 degrees. So when if you have to draw your picture or anything like that, those two are essentially interchangeable. Just, put them in the right place. So just a reminder of those. You should have learned this in geometry, but, geometry was maybe not, that was your virtual year.
That was
Too long ago. We're going to do a quizzes. That's the end of notes, guys.
How long is this supposed to take?
10 questions.
Oh. Okay.
All right, guys. Quizzes time. Partner up. Quizzy. We ran into an issue. I've never gotten that message before. That was odd. I haven't either. All right, probably can stop recording.
Oh, they don't want to.